everyone, welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Tonight I would love to share with you on how to make our very easy and simple supper. So please come join with me as I'm going to show you very easy type of cooking. So here in my cooking pot, I am going to use vegetable oil as my sauteing ingredient. So it doesn't really matter what kind of oil you will be using, but I love my vegetable oil this time. Friends, whenever I cook, I'm just eyeballing. I don't necessarily measure stuff. Unlike in my baking, I have to measure and do my mathematical skills. So what are the very basic ingredients that we have? Okay, I would love to saute that using my ginger, strips of fresh ginger into my cooking pot. Saute that for a few seconds until this will become slightly golden brown or translucent. Then after that, I'll have to add my red cooking onions. Of course, you can use white cooking onions, whatever your preference, or anything that is available in your refrigerator and in your pantry. When I cook, I love lots and lots of spices. Now, for my oil, you can always reduce your oil. And for me, I added 8 tablespoons of oil because this is a big dish. And, you know, the absorption of the oil is it's great. So it's up to you if you will lessen your oil. Okay, next I am going to saute that using my fresh chopped garlic. I use probably 5 cloves of garlic. There you go. And the rest, I am going to saute that with my nice fresh Roma tomatoes. I cut up my tomatoes and my sweet red peppers into my cooking pot. So saute this for maybe 1 minute until the spices are infused all together lovely. Of course, lovely friends, here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations, all my cookings and bakings here are made simple, easy, and for fun learning and sharing. My goal in my kitchen is simply sharing, so that you will have an idea on what to prepare for your family's next meal. Now after that, I am going to add generous amount of black pepper. Again, adding black pepper and salt, or salt and pepper, depends upon your taste buds as well. So I am going to add my 1 pound of chicken breast fillet. I slice my chicken breast fillet into strips. So make sure that the chicken is fully cooked because they are meat. Okay, then I am going to use this savory soy sauce. You can add, if you run out of soy sauce, simply add salt and pepper and you're just good to go. A little bit more of black pepper. If you are in low sodium restriction, you can always try to not eliminate, but lesser your sodium intake or your salt. I have to cover and let that be done for another 3 minutes because the chicken breast fillet doesn't really take that long in the process of cooking. Okay, wonderful friends, after 3 minutes, we try to stir it. Really beautiful. So the last but not the least ingredients that we have will be our fresh French green beans. These are very young and sweet green beans. I'm going to add that and let this be done for approximately 2 minutes. It doesn't really take that long in cooking because these are fresh ones and they're very, very young and tender. So 2 minutes, this is good to go. I'll cover this back. Wait until 2 minutes. Okay, let's check. By the way, I did not really add water because it will produce its own sauce out from the spices and of course from the chicken. So this is good to go. And by the way, I would like to thank you very much for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Stay tuned for more cookings and bakings here at my little kitchen. So this is now ready for our supper. And of course, my yummy fluffy rice is now ready. There you go. You can also garnish green onions or the scallions if you want. Or you can even add up some green veggies. Petchay, bok choy, cabbage. It's up to you, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, your home cooking buddy La Arnie saying you daghan and salamat. Maraming salamat po. And I hope to see you again in my next cooking and baking session. Bye for now. Thank you very much. I love you guys.